Hello everyone. Now we are tracking some random flights. Here we are clicking on this. This flight has started from Pune airport and we don't know where the destination is. And the aircraft looked like this. If we click on follow and the screen will move along with the flight. We use one more flight radar app to track the same flight. Now the flight is at 43,000 feet and at speed of 589 miles per hour. It has takeoff from the airport at 6:36 p.m. and we don't know where the destination of the flight is. We can see the graph of speed and altitude. We can see few more images of this flight. We don't know where it will go. Let us track this flight and find where the destination is. We can see other flights around it also. We are using Flight Radar 24 and Flight Aware apps to track one private jet which is based off in India. This is just to know how the flights move around us and what are the different types of flights. These are common flights and this is the private flight. So we want to know the private flight where it is going. You can see here is one more private flight and this is also based off of Pune. We have many of our billionaires who are living in Pune, Mumbai. So this might be one of the billionaires and millionaires flight. Most of the private jets look in this way and these are common flights. This is also one of the private flight. It has just traveled from Bombay to Jamnagar and again it is back. ARV. We will search this flight. VTARV. Here it is showing only from Jamnagar. But here we can see it has started from Mumbai, went to Jamnagar and it is returning back. So different apps show different data, so we can't know which is the correct data. So let us see.